Welcome to your lesson in the hip key. The hip key is an extremely important fundamental skill because it's the base of many more complex tricks and skills to come. You'll begin with the fabric next to you. I'll show you on my right side. Begins by pulling up and doing 3 actions with the legs: scissor, straddle, and scissor on your opposite side. End with your head lower than your tush and the fabric across your lower back. I know that was a lot of information, so once again, scissor, pulling up, lifting the outside leg up really high so the fabric can get to the lower back, and then release. For most people, it looks something like this when we're first learning. The outside leg does not lift up high enough, and it turns into a knee key, which is not safe and not secure, so we want to avoid doing that. Another thing is the arms melt, meaning you do your best to keep your arms bent, but they straighten too soon due to lack of strength. Here's what we should be going for. Scissor. Notice the fabric is high on my upper thigh. It's all about this outside leg lifting up to place the fabric truly up and over your hips on your lower back. Floor bound drill that I found very useful is understanding the pathway of your legs. So I do the scissor on the floor. I lift the leg, the opposite leg lifts up really high, and I scissor on the other side. And repeat this back and forth just to open up the legs, the hamstrings, the hips, and get used to where your legs are supposed to be going. All right? If that's just not working out for you due to flexibility, you can bend your outside leg to your chest again. So scissor, knee to chest, then the fabric still gets in the proper place. Once you feel confident doing this on the floor, then try it in the air from one climb up. Same exact things apply. Scissor, outside leg lifts up and over. Head is lower than the tush. Scissoring the legs helps to secure the fabric, and really think about squeezing your upper thighs together on your scissor. All right, once again, this time the modification of knee to the chest in the air, absolutely okay. Just eventually work on that straight leg version. Okay. If you find this is just not happening, there's a Russian climb variation that is actually a cheat, but it does come in handy. From a Russian climb, take the tail and place it up and over your hip. Your bottom leg extends, and then we turn over to the side, and there you are in your hip key. All right, so that's if you absolutely cannot get it right away. Of course, try this on your opposite side to make sure you equally develop strength and control in your body. Alrighty guys, I know hip key is frustrating, but keep at it and I promise you'll get it soon. Thanks for joining me.